First question in the exercise 1.3. The question is, suppose that there are 120 students are studying in 4 sections of 11th standard. Let A denotes the number of students, capital A, and B denotes the sections. Okay. Create a relation from A to B. The condition that if X is related to Y, if X is a student belongs to the section Y, whether check it is a function. If it is a function, what can we say about the inverse of the function? Explain the answer. That is a question. Now it is the first set A. It consists of 1, 2, 3, etc. 120 students. Okay. And B, it consists 4 sections A, B, C, D. Now all the 120 students are allotted to the 4 sections. Okay. So we can arrange in any way. Now look at the diagram. It is a function from A to B. So one is section A, 2 section A, third student section A, and fourth one section B, fifth one. Likewise, we are arranging each student to a particular section. So every element in A has a image in B. Okay. Every element in capital A has a image in B. Therefore, F is a function. Okay. Therefore, F is a function. So the next one is what they call. So what about the inverse of this function? Just reverse. You can imagine B to A. So it is B and it is A. F inverse. Okay. A, B, C, D, 4 sections. Imagine the same condition. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 119, 120. Okay. So it is D to 120. It is C and 1, 2. Okay. So B. Likewise. So look at that. So look at the inverse relation. Okay. Look at the inverse relation. A has more than one image. Okay. So in F inverse, elements in capital A has more than one image. Elements in B has more than one image in A. Therefore, F inverse is not a function. Okay. So likewise, we can explain the answer for the first question. So now the last one, F of 0. So look at here. 0 lies in the third interval -2 to 1. So 0 minus 0. So we are getting 0. The question also similar to the second question. Write down the value of yet at -3, 5, 2, -1, 0, where f of x is given. If x lies in the interval -∞ to 0, then the value is x square plus x minus 5. If x lies 3 to infinity, then the value is x square plus 3x minus 2. If it is lies between 0 to 2, x square or x square minus 3 for other values. So look at the first one, f of -3 lie on the first interval -∞, 0. So put x equal to -3 in the first one. -3 the whole square, -3 minus 5. It is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Next to 5. So 5 lie on the interval 3 to infinity. Put x equal to 5 here. 5 square plus 3 into 5 minus 2. So 25 plus 15, 40 minus 2, 38. F of 2. So look at here. 2 lies in the last one otherwise category. So 2 square 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then f of -1. Okay. So f of -1 means -1 lie on the first interval -∞, 0. So put x equal to minus 1 here. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Minus 1 minus 5. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. We are getting minus 5. 0. So 0 once again comes under otherwise category. So 0 minus 3 minus 3. 4 in the exercise 1.3. State whether the relations given below are functions or not. If it is a function, check their one-to-oneness and on-to-oneness. If it is not a function, say y. Okay. There are two subdivisions. The first one is capital A. The set is given as set of all a comma b comma c, and the relation is denoted as f from a to a, and the relation a comma c, b comma c, c comma b. A goes to c, b goes to c, c goes to b. So if we draw the diagram, we can understand easily. The first one, okay. So a domain and codomain are the same, okay. So function. So a, b, c both contains the same elements, okay. So now how it is related? So look at here. A goes to c, b goes to c, c goes to b. Look at here. Every element in the domain has an image in the codomain. Therefore, it is a function. Okay. But two different elements has the same image. Therefore, it is not one-to-one. And there is a element A in the codomain. It has no pre-image. That's why it is not onto. Okay. It is a function, but not neither one-to-one nor onto. So here we can write down the reason. Every element in the domain has a image in the codomain. Therefore, f is a function, but neither one-to-one nor onto. Reason: in A, B and C has the same image for one-to-oneness, nor onto. The reason: there is a element A in the codomain which has no pre-image in the domain. Okay. Now the second one, as like the first question, we can draw the diagram. Okay. So again, x to x function is relation is defined. So x, it consists of elements x, y, z. Here also x, y, z. Okay. How they are relating means x goes to y, x goes to z. Okay. And z goes to x. Okay, look at here. It is not a function, okay, because there is a element y in the domain which has no image. Okay, x has to y, x goes to z and z goes to x. It is not a function since there is a element y in the domain, okay, which has no image in the codomain. Okay, element y has no image in the codomain, therefore it is not a function. Question number 5 in the exercise 1.3. Let A be the set consisting 1, 2, 3, 4 and B has the elements A, B, C, D. The question is, give the function from A to B for the following. First condition, neither one-to-one nor onto. We have to give an example for this with the use of the given two sets and codomain. Second one, not one-to-one but onto. Third one, one-to-one but not onto. Fourth one, one-to-one but onto. So first subdivision, so A look at the set A. It has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And B, it has elements A, B, C, D. The easy way is, so just relate all the elements to a single element. That is the easy way. Okay. It is a easy example, well-known example. Relate all the elements in the domain to the single element in the codomain. So it is a function, okay, but neither one to one nor onto. Okay. So f equal to, how can we write? 1 comma a, 2 comma a, okay, 3 comma a, 4 comma a. It is the simple example for the first one, neither one to one nor onto. Okay, come to that. Not one to one but onto. One to one but on, not onto. So both the cases are not possible, or we can say impossible. So both these two things are not possible for this question. Okay. Now fourth one, both one to one and onto, that means bijective. So again the very simple example is, so A, B, so it consists 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Okay. So look at here, relate 1 to A, 2 to B, 3 to C, 4 to D. Okay. If we create a relation likewise, it is obviously 1 to 1 and onto. Different element has different images and the range set equal to codomain. Therefore it is 1 to 1 and onto. So here a function is denoted as, okay, so 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma C, 4 comma D. Okay, we can write that. Question number 6 in the exercise 1.3. The question is, find the domain of 1 by 1 minus 2 into sin x. So let me take the given one as some f of x. So domain means for what values of x does the f of x exist. We are going to do it in the reverse way. So for what values of x does not exist, if we remove that values from the set of all real numbers, that is the domain. Once I am repeating, for what values of x the denominator becomes 0, that means the f of x does not exist. Remove that values from the set of all real lines, that is the domain. So now we are going to find out, equate 1 minus 2 sin x to 0. So minus 2 sin x equal to minus 1, sin x equal to 1 by 2, okay, sin x equal to, for what value of x, sin is 1 by 2, I think 30 degree, so sin pi by 6, so sin theta equal to sin alpha, sin theta equal to sin alpha, then the general solution is, okay, theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. So this is a formula in trigonometry, inverse, okay, trigonometry, but we are going to learn in the upcoming chapters. Okay, anyway, just know this formula, then only we can solve this question. So sin theta equal to sin alpha, then the general solution is given by theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. So if we use that concept here we are getting x equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into pi by 6. So for these values the denominator becomes 0. That means f of x does not exist. So remove these values from the set of all real lines, that is the domain. So domain is r minus these values, okay, r minus n pi plus minus 1 power n pi by 6. So remove these values from the real numbers, that is the domain. Here n is an integer. Okay. Question number 7. Find the largest possible domain for the function f of x equal to root of 4 minus x square by root of x square minus 9. Listen here. here we are going to solve in a different way. So just take the numerator and denominator separately. So we are going to discuss for what values of x in the numerator does not exist. Similarly, for what values of x denominator does not exist, we can remove that, and remaining set we can combine. From the two, the common interval is the domain. Okay, so listen here. Squares, if x value is some value greater than 2, okay, and less than minus 2, for example greater than 2 means 3, imagine x is 3, so what we get? 4 minus 9, so negative. So square root of negative, it is not real number, it is a imaginary number. We are going to learn in 12th standard anyway. Here we are discussing only in the set of all real numbers. So if x value is greater than 2 and less than minus 2, numerator, the value inside the square root becomes negative. So negative of the square root is not real. Similarly, we can compare that one. So how can we observe that one? So to get the correct value, 4, suppose if 4 minus x square less than or equal to 0, negative, what will happen? We are going to in a reverse way. Okay, so minus x square less than or equal to minus 4. Okay, x square greater than or greater than 4. So plus or minus x greater than 2. If we take, so if we take plus x greater than 2, if we take minus x greater than 2, so x less than minus 2. So if x greater than 2 and x less than minus 2, that value, if x greater than 2 and x less than minus 2, okay, so 4 minus x square negative. Okay, the 4 minus x square values negative. So negative means that is not real, f of x is not real. Okay, therefore for numerator x must be, okay, think of the real line minus infinity, okay, sorry, think of the real line minus infinity, plus infinity, minus 2 and 2 here, greater than 2 does not exist, less than minus 2 does not exist. So between these two it is exists. So x belongs to minus 2 to plus 2. Similarly, we can observe for what values of x that x square minus 9 negative. For example, if x greater than or equal to minus 3, for example, if you put minus 2, it becomes negative. And always also, if x less than or equal to 3, it negative. So these are the, again look at the real line, minus infinity, minus 3, so 3, infinity. So greater than or equal to minus 3, less than or equal to 3. So the numerator, the x square minus 9 is negative. Square root of negative is not a real number. So we can remove this interval. So what is remaining? Minus infinity comma minus 3. Okay, if we can include this 9 means it is 0. Union 3 comma infinity. Okay, so it is the existence of the numerator and it is the existence of the denominator. Now the domain is what is common for the two, that is the domain. So minus 2 comma 2 and minus infinity comma minus 3 union 3 comma infinity, there is no common value for that. Therefore here the domain is nothing but the null set. Okay, null set or empty set.